Perfect. Look at that. Look at that cheese. Oh my. Good morning, my foodies. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do some delicious pupusas recipe and taste. So stay tuned. Now let's go to the store and get our ingredients. You can use apple cider vinegar or all-purpose vinegar. I'm gonna go with this one. We'll need pork butt roast, some masa mix, some caldo de tomate con sabor de pollo. Wait. Not a lot of people know what are pupusas. Pupusas are originally from El Salvador. They're either made with masa or rice flour or cornmeal. It is usually stuffed with one or more ingredients. Many include cheese, chicharrón, frijoles fritos, and it's typically accompanied by curtido and tomato sauce. Now back to our recipe. Let's get it. Take notes. These are the ingredients. We're gonna use about 2.5 pounds of pork butt. I diced them about 2 inches squared. And then we have 4 tomatoes, some garlic for the pork and for the salsa. We have masa, we have salt, we have water. That's going to be used for the cabbage with the carrots and onions, the curtido. We have oregano, we have vinegar, we have the cebolla, we have the seasoning that we're going to use for the pork and the salsa. And then we have our mozzarella cheese. I got 2 pounds of cheese. And don't forget our refried beans for the revueltas. So we're going to be doing revueltas, which is cheese, frijoles, and chicharrón. So right now we're going to be doing the curtido, which is going to be cabbage, carrots, onions. So in a small pan, we're going to add some water. There we go. We cut half of a small cabbage. Make sure you cut them like strands. Now that we have our water boiling, and we're gonna pour the hot water on the cabbage. This allows the cabbage to soften up a bit when we add the vinegar with the water. So I cut the onion in a 1/4 inch thick into slices, depending on how much curtido you're gonna make. Being a liter of curtido that I would be making. So it's half an onion and half a small cabbage, and we're gonna add 1 carrot. We have our onion, grind carrots, and cabbage on a bowl. We're gonna add as much as salt as you like. Just oregano as you like. I added about 2 teaspoons of oregano. Now it's time to add the vinegar. You can add about half a cup of vinegar and half a cup of water. I'm gonna mix these ingredients. We put our vegetables in a cup. Now we're gonna put it to the side and let the vinegar do its work. Add the pork. So we're gonna make these carnitas, aka chicharrones. There's people that do it different ways. They actually buy the chicharrones, but I'm gonna make my own chicharron. We're just gonna toast and cook this pork, and then we're gonna blend it, and we're gonna have our chicharron. Delicious. So we put the pork here, and we add the ajo. So we'll go ahead and stir this. Now that we've stirred it a bit, we're going to add a little bit of water, about half a cup of water, just so that can get the pork cooking. And then we're going to let it cook on medium. Let's add some salt. We're at 45 minutes into our carnitas chicharron. Let's check them out. So it looks like they're fully cooked. We're gonna go ahead and toast the carnitas. So we put it on high heat. Let's go ahead and put it in high heat. Let that water dissolve so we can go ahead and toast, dorar las carnitas with its own fat, and add the jitomates for the salsa so we can save a little bit of some time. So we're gonna add 4 jitomates on top. They're gonna steam up. Once they're ready, we're gonna put them in the blender so we can make our salsa. So there's 4 tomatoes and 1 garlic. Make sure you blend it well for the salsa. Added 2 cubes into our salsa. Now we're gonna mix it and see if it needs more salt. And the salsa is ready. You constantly stir the carnitas so they can look like this, nice and brown. We're gonna go ahead and grind our carnitas so it can be shredded. See how it came out? Shredded? That's how you want it. Perfect. Look how beautiful it came out. You want that kind of texture. So we have our cheese and our chicharron. You can add beans if you like. Me personally, I'm not gonna add the beans today just because I only want chicharron and queso. But right here, you can just put the cheese and the chicharron and add your refried beans, and you're gonna mix it like a masa. So here, if you guys can see, I grinded the queso, and I use whole milk mozzarella so it can give more flavor to the pupusas. This is about 4 cups if you guys buy it shredded. 4 cups of cheese, about 3 to 4 cups of cheese, and then the 2.5 pounds of carnitas that we grinded here in our processor. We're gonna mix these ingredients together, and we're gonna add some flavor. We have the 2 ingredients mixed. Now we're gonna add a little bit of secret flavor, which is the salsa. We're gonna add a little bit of salsa in the carne, just to give it really, really delicious flavor. I poured about 3 spoons of salsa. Now we're gonna mix it together. I added the rest of the little manteca that I had, the carnitas, to add more flavor. This is our result of our mixto, our revuelto here. This is gonna be the filling of the pupusas. We really tried it for taste and it was very, very good. Room temperature water, or you can use warm water. Warm water is preferred. So let's go ahead and work the masa. Want the masa like this, aguadita. This is the texture you want on the masa. That's gonna have you work through it without breaking. So let's go ahead and start making our first pupusa. And we're gonna insert the carne in the center. You don't want to add too much carne just because you want to close it and make the pupusa as round as you can do it. So we scoop it like this. See how it's the masa, it's covering the carne. So we're gonna keep going until we completely close it like that. So now it is closed. We're gonna put it on the pan and we're gonna turn it like that to make the circle. You can add water to your hand. There you go. Got a little pupusa. So you want to flip the pupusa. Look how nice and brown this one came out. Take a look inside. Wow, look at the chicharrón con queso. Wow. Perfect. Look at that. Look at that cheese. Oh my. You guys. This is our results. If you can make this at home, you're definitely gonna love it. Look how beautiful they turned out. So much flavor. Our curtido, our salsa, now it's ready. Let's taste. Get a little bit of curtido, some pupusa, and we're going in. It's hot. El chicharrón con queso, the curtido, and the salsa. Oh, to die for. Let's take another bite. You want to eat like kind of a One more bite for you, please. Look at this. Look at this. Everything, all the combinations are just delicious. Thank you for watching my foodies. Until next time.